Have you ever heard of insulin resistance? It's a problem that affects millions of people worldwide and is directly linked to weight gain, difficulty losing fat, and even the development of chronic diseases, such as type 2 diabetes. But today, you'll discover 7 practical solutions that will help you fight insulin resistance, improve muscle building, accelerate fat burning, and transform your health. So stay tuned until the end, because the tips I'm going to share could be the turning point you need in your weight loss and health journey. If you're looking for effective ways to improve your metabolism and want tips that really work, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up to support the channel and don't miss any of the upcoming content. Now, let's get straight to the point. Before we talk about the solutions, it's essential to understand what insulin resistance is. Insulin is the hormone responsible for transporting glucose or sugar to the cells where it will be used as energy. When you have insulin resistance, your cells don't respond properly to this hormone, and this causes the body to produce more and more insulin to try to compensate. The result? More sugar circulating in your blood, more fat storage, especially in the abdominal region, and a constant feeling of fatigue and hunger. Insulin resistance is one of the main obstacles for those who want to lose weight, and that's where the importance of fighting it intelligently comes in. The good news is that there are ways to improve this sensitivity to insulin, and that's what we're going to see now. The first solution to fight insulin resistance is strength training. Exercises like weightlifting and activities that involve lifting weights are essential for increasing the sensitivity of cells to insulin. The more muscle mass you have, the more efficient your body becomes at using glucose as an energy source. And don't worry, you don't have to spend hours at the gym. A well-planned workout, 30 to 40 minutes long, is enough to promote incredible results. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, take the opportunity to subscribe now. Every day we have new videos about health and weight loss with essential tips to transform your life, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. The second step to improve insulin resistance is to include high-intensity cardio workouts in your routine. The famous HIIT, or high-intensity interval training, is one of the most effective methods to accelerate fat burning and improve the body's ability to respond to insulin. In just 20 minutes of HIIT, you can achieve results superior to those of hours of moderate exercise. If you haven't tried HIIT yet, it's worth including in your routine. And after the first week, come back here and tell me in the comments how your experience was and the results you are seeing. Fiber also plays a crucial role in insulin control. Fiber-rich foods such as vegetables, fruits with skin, legumes, and whole grains help slow down the absorption of sugars in the gut, avoiding spikes in blood insulin. In addition, fiber provides greater satiety, helping to control appetite and reduce calorie intake throughout the day. So how about increasing the amount of fiber in your day? A good option is to start the day with a fiber-rich breakfast, such as oatmeal with fruit and chia seeds. One strategy that has been gaining prominence in the fight against insulin resistance is intermittent fasting. By restricting food intake to a specific time window, fasting helps lower insulin levels and gives the body the opportunity to use fat stores as an energy source. Several studies indicate that intermittent fasting can significantly improve insulin sensitivity. But attention, intermittent fasting should be done with care and proper guidance, especially if you already have health problems. If you are thinking about giving it a try, share this video with someone who is also interested in the topic, and take the opportunity to discuss together how to apply it in a healthy way. Refined carbohydrates and sugar are big villains of insulin resistance. When you eat foods high in sugar and simple carbohydrates such as white bread, pasta, and sweets, your body produces large amounts of insulin to cope with the high load of glucose in the blood. In the long run, this leads to insulin resistance. The tip here is to swap refined carbs for whole grain versions and opt for low glycemic index foods. This will help keep blood sugar levels stable and reduce the body's demand for insulin. Some supplements can be great allies in insulin control. Among them, magnesium, chromium, alpha-lipoic acid, and omega-3 stand out. These substances help improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation in the body, and facilitate fat burning. However, it is essential that these supplements are used with the guidance of a healthcare professional. If you already use any of these supplements, tell us in the comments what your experience has been. And if not, it might be time to talk to a specialist and assess the need to include any of them in your routine. Sleep also plays an essential role in controlling insulin resistance. Sleep deprivation increases cortisol levels, which in turn impairs insulin sensitivity. A good night's sleep regulates hormones, controls appetite, and promotes the balance needed for a healthy metabolism. So if you have trouble sleeping, it's worth investing in habits that improve your sleep quality. Create a relaxing evening routine. Avoid using electronics before bed and ensure the environment is quiet and comfortable are simple practices that can make a world of difference. Insulin resistance is a real challenge, but it's not impossible to overcome. With these 7 solutions, strength training, HIIT, a high-fiber diet, intermittent fasting, sugar reduction, proper supplementation, and a good night's sleep, you'll be on your way to improving your metabolic health, losing weight, and gaining more quality of life. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and share this video with someone who can also benefit from these tips. This exchange of information is essential so that more people can achieve the transformation they are looking for. And leave your like if these tips were helpful to you. Let's go on this journey together.